Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You've probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch, black outdoor barbecue grill with built-in thermometer heat control dampers and one TalkStim cleaning system, earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with about this item. This premium Weber kettle grill has space to hold up to 13 burgers made with a Weber burger press. The durable plated steel cooking grate, crafted from premium steel, offers a resilient surface that stands up to the demands of frequent grilling easy ash cleanup. The one-touch cleaning system included in the black charcoal grill has a removable aluminized high-capacity ash catcher, allowing for efficient and less frequent removal of ash from the bottom of the grill. Durability and flavor retention. Porcelain enameled lid and bowl are engineered to withstand high temperatures and retain heat. Bowl and lid combination on outdoor grill resist rust and won't peel glass-reinforced nylon handles. Kettle grill's handles were crafted with precision and durability in mind. Reinforced with high-quality glass-infused nylon, ensuring they can withstand the demands of frequent use and exposure to heat. Real-time temperature monitoring, built-in lid. The thermometer takes the guesswork out of grilling, displaying the internal temperature of your black charcoal and barbecue grill. Longevity and control. Rust-resistant aluminum damper offers effortless regulation of airflow. Angled lid hook allows you to hang the lid while grilling. All-weather wheels provide easy mobility. Tool hooks help you store grilling tools. See more product details. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is spark your passion for charcoal grilling with the Kettle grill that started it all. This black Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill boasts upgraded features, such as a hinged cooking grate allowing you to easily add charcoal while grilling, and the one-touch cleaning system with high-capacity ash catcher, making for a smooth grilling experience from beginning to end. The convenient angled lid hook provides a storage solution. That means there's no more setting the grill lid on the ground while you cook. Now when you need to check or tend to the food on the grill, you can hang the porcelain enameled lid on the side. At 22 inches, this Weber charcoal grill provides you with enough space to grill up to 13 burgers at once, more than enough to keep family and friends happily fed at your next party or barbecue. Sturdy features such as the durable plated steel cooking grate, rust-resistant aluminum damper, and all-weather wheels mean you'll be able to keep cooking delicious meals on this outdoor grill for years to come. Not in a test environment, in the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information, features and specs. Other special features of the product: heat shield, hinged cooking grate, lid thermometer, one-touch cleaning system, superior heat retention, fuel type charcoal heating power 8,000 British thermal units, main burner count 1 number of racks, 1 number of heating elements, 1 grill configuration, standalone cooking system, charcoal primary cooking method, charcoal grilling measurements, item dimensions: DXW x 22.5, DX 22.5, WX 22.5D, DX 22.5X 22.5 10.2.5 eaters 0.57 each. Item weight 32.3 pounds. Materials and care: finish types: rust resistant, material type porcelain handle material, glass reinforced nylon frame, material aluminum. Additional details: color black. Warranty and support Amazon.com. Return policy Amazon.com. Voluntary 30-day return guarantee. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who are already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you're on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below, so you can check if the current discount is still live.